Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to do an easy emoji, that is the thinking emoji. Okay, that's the thinking smiley or emoji, whatever you call. I'm going to use a round lid of a bottle to draw a circle. I'm using a brown sketch pen to draw the circle. I'm not going to complete the circle, just leaving a small gap on the left side to draw the hand. Okay, so you can see the small gap there. I have used a brown sketch pen to draw it. So now I'm going to draw the hand. You have the thumb here and the forefinger or the pointing finger, whatever we call, is like this, and the rest of the fingers are just like this. So, and then we need to connect these two. Okay. Right. And now the eyes, they are oval in shape. And the eyebrows, one is more bent than the other one, and then we have the mouth, okay. So the drawing is done. Now we have got to color it. I am using yellow to color it. So this was rather easy to draw. Just see to it that it's more white over this area, because the light gets reflected from the top, so it's more lighter on the top and the color is darker as you go down. right? So now I'm going to take this brown to shade the edges so that it gives a 3D effect. Just see to it that you blend the color nicely along with the yellow so that there's no clear boundary between the brown and yellow color. The brown gets darker as you go down, owing to the shadow. Okay, now we got to color this too, this and the eyes as well. Okay, and now we will color the edge of the hand too. Right, so we have done an emoji for today, that is the thinking emoji. Thanks for watching. I'll come with another video tomorrow.